In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain name and an SSL certificate to your Cloudways hosting. By the end of this guide, you'll have your domain set up and secured with an SSL certificate, ensuring a safer web experience for your users. Let's dive into the process now. Start by visiting the Cloudways website, which is your gateway to managed cloud hosting made simple. Cloudways is a fantastic platform if you're looking for ease of management and robust performance. Once you're on the Cloudways homepage, the next step is to click on the Login button. If you don't have an account, you might need to sign up first. But assuming you're all set up, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Cloudways dashboard. Now that you're on the main dashboard, your next stop is the My Applications section. This is where all your websites and applications are managed. It's a great centralized spot for accessing all the applications you've linked to Cloudways. After navigating to My Applications, you'll want to locate the SSL certificate option. It's crucial you do this because adding an SSL certificate to your domain increases security by encrypting the data being transmitted between your server and your users. Once you've clicked on the SSL certificate option, you'll see an Add button. This button is vital as it's the gateway to setting up your SSL certificate. By clicking Add, you'll begin the process of securing your application. It's important to have received any necessary verification emails at this point and followed any specific instructions to validate your SSL certificate request. As you set up the SSL certificate, make sure your domain name is correctly typed to avoid any future issues. Double check the spelling and ensure it matches exactly as planned. Once everything seems in order, follow any additional prompts to complete the SSL setup. And with that, you've added a domain name and an SSL certificate to your Cloudways hosting. Remember, having an SSL certificate doesn't just protect your site, it also boosts your site's credibility, potentially improving your search engine rankings as well. As you finish, take a moment to admire the extra layer of security you've added to your site. It's one more step towards providing the best user experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more equipped to manage your website efficiently. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore the support resources Cloudways offers. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.